Hello everybody, this will be an unboxing video yet again. I was initially not going to get anything else this month after the SS74R, but this alarm that I got here, I got that thing new in box for only $10, so I just could not resist that insane deal. So here we are. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what we got. I just want to be careful and not actually cut the box inside. Oh wow, this thing's actually smaller than I expected. You can actually kind of see it already. Here it is. This is a Code 1 Jameson Model C, as you can see here. This is basically the Model B, but as Hush. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take this out. Alright, nothing else in the box, so we'll close it up. Alright, here's the manual it comes with. Models A, B, C, D, E, and F. And here's the mounting base. Oh, with screws provided, that's interesting. And here's the device itself. As you can see, it has an orange button, which is really interesting. I guess they did that to match with the box. But either way, it's really cool. It's really identical to the Model A that I also have, which I'll show as well. Over here is the Model A that I have. They're pretty much the exact same, other than this not having a visual indicator and not having Hush. Well, this one has that, so yeah, definitely really interesting there. And obviously it comes with the metal base. So based on the date code, it's made in 1988, the 264th day of 1988. That's actually pretty early. Yeah, I believe that's pretty early for these models. So that's definitely interesting there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get a battery and we'll give it a test. Alright, I got myself a 9-volt battery, so let's go ahead and power this thing on. Alright. It's powered. Let's see if it'll do anything. It did flash. It is flashing, so I'm not sure how long I have to hold this for. Yeah, it should just be a simple push and hold. It seems to not be engaging. Alright, well, I guess I'll give it a smoke test instead and see if it does anything. Alright, got my smoke saber here, so let's give it a shot. Yep, it did go off. You know what? Since I smoke tested it, I might as well hit it again and see if I can get Hush mode to work. Yeah, Hush mode did work, so that's pretty cool. Hush mode definitely worked, so that's pretty cool. I just can't seem to figure out. Oh, okay, now the test button decides to work. Now it decides to work. I don't know why it failed at first hand. Maybe the horn wasn't working? I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, this is a Firex-based alarm, so I guess that can also be possible if the horn did fail initially, because obviously they're notorious for that. But yeah, either way, glad it works, fully functional, so that's good. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one here. There was no dying sound, obviously. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.